So I get into my fridge and I have a very sad tomato. Hello, sad tomato. What are you doing? I'm being old and wrinkly. It feels so weird. Like, it's not popping, but the skin is so weird. I don't know how to describe it. It feels like old lady skin. This sad tomato. Hello, tomato. Ooh, did you guys hear something move in my fridge? It's so weird. Ew. This is what happens when you get old. Ugh. Hi, I'm 21. I'm 30. 21. I'm 30. Was I covering the mic the whole fucking time? I'm 21 years old. I'm 30. Yes, this tomato, you express my livelihood of how I've gone from being young to old and wrinkly. Oh no, I popped it. Oh, sorry, tomato. It's over. And I have a lonely beer back there. Hello, beer. How are you doing?